Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today I am unboxing this new iPhone case. This is for a 7 or an 8. I believe they come in different sizes. I'm not sure how you pronounce this brand. Is it Spigen or Spigen? I don't know. But it is the Ultra Hybrid 2. And I bought this because we had a little incident with one of our family phones. Let me just show you. It fell and the glass on the corner here has cracked a little bit. So I wanted to invest a little bit more money than just a couple of dollars for a cheap case. So let's open this up. Oh, yeah. Let's show you the unboxing. Come on, focus. Here we go. Okay, so pretty simple it looks like. Just there's nothing else in there. Just the case in this wrapping, and it's got like a what do you call it, like a little film that you take off. It actually said that on the instructions here at the back, so it says just to remove that, but I won't remove it. I'll just pop it in to see what it looks like first. So it says to do each corner at the top first and then to push it in at the back. Yeah, that fits pretty snug. Looks like it would be pretty good on... Actually, it's really good. That's pretty impressive. Yeah, we had like a cheaper clear case, but it yellowed quite a bit. They've said that this one shouldn't yellow, and also it's military grade standard. So if I just sort of show you, I don't know. It looks like it would be pretty good if it were to fall. It's got good, let me see if I can give you a bit of a close-up. So that's the corners. And we'll go right round. There are pretty good holes there for the buttons. That seems quite accessible. And we've had cases before where this was not easy to get to, but that button there is quite easy to get to. And it's got the cutout for the camera, and down the bottom all the cutouts for the speakers and the charging ports. So yeah, that looks pretty good. Obviously I can't give you a review as such as I haven't used it, but if you check the comments in time, I will update some info there and in the description. I'll also put a link to it in the description in case you're interested in getting one yourself. So hopefully that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.